morning everybody and all the viewers of this channel. Today I would like to present a small video on engineering education, especially with regard to the education field. Now the education field is going to suffer a lot because of COVID-19 pandemic, and in this strategy I would like to demonstrate a small theoretical aspect on education. Especially education changes its wings from offline education to online education, and moreover there are certain strategies that are going to work on in this domain. Especially with regard to this, I would like to present a small video on my research that I have undergone earlier with regard to the engineering education is concerned. So before we go through the standards and strategies of learning, let us just watch the basic domains behind this motto. The motto behind is we are supposed to make the students emphasize on learning. How can a student grasp the subject knowledge? How can we impart the standards of engineering with regard to the education sector is concerned, especially with regard to the schooling is concerned? Let us just see a small picture on how we are going to impart the standards of learning of engineering education, especially with regard to the education is concerned. How we are going to impart the educational standards with regard to the schooling area is concerned. How we can impart the engineering standards with regard to the schooling. So this is the main motto of behind this video, doing this video. So basically we are going to start with 3 eyes. So don't believe that we have 4 eyes like Shiva. God Shiva has 4 eyes. We all believe that with regard to the third eye all will get damaged. So this is not that sort of video. We are going to develop the standards of learning with regard to the imagination is concerned. We are going to impart the knowledge of education, knowledge of imagination with regard to the innovation and the information is concerned. So I would like to start this video with the 3 eyes. One is imagination, second one is information, and third one is innovation. So these 3 eyes plays a major important role with regard to any field is concerned. Everyone should sort of these 3 eyes, should believe these 3 eyes. When we want any sort of innovations and developments with regard to the any field, so these 3 eyes plays an important role. Especially with regard to the schooling is concerned, these 3 eyes plays an utmost role with regard to the education is concerned. So we all know a fact that nowadays the gap between the literacy rate and education is going to get decreased. We see most of the people are literate than educated. We are supposed to watch many people who are going to get educated. We are supposed to see most of the people of being educated than literate. So this video suggests the gap between think and thought provoking process. The gap between think and thought provoking process must be decreased. So that is the main motto behind doing this video. So let us see the 3 eyes in detail with the help of a small example. Let us just consider a small spelling. Let us just consider the spelling of cutting. When we see this word, we all think one thing. We won't question. We just watch and go through. Simply writing a word doesn't enough to secure a knowledge. When we want to secure the knowledge and the wisdom, we need to question and probe the things. When I write the word cutting, we won't have any question regarding it. It's just a minute word. But we are supposed to think in a process that how the word cutting was arised. How the word cutting was arised and what is the rule behind the generation of the word cutting. So that makes the sense of the knowledge. So there is a slogan in logic which is written as Pariprasnena Sevaya. The rule behind gaining any sort of knowledge is rational questioning. Without rational questioning, any sort of knowledge is of no use. So here we have to gain the knowledge. How we have to gain the knowledge? By rational questioning. So how the word cutting was arised? We need to track back and go back and think forward. This is the strategy of learning. So how the word cutting was arised? It is combination of two words, cut plus ing. When these two words are coupled with each other, the word cutting was arised. So this cutting, cut, how it makes sense? It is in the form of consonant, vowel, consonant. When any word which starts with consonant, vowel and consonant and ing is added to it, the last consonant is to be doubled. So thereby we got the word as cutting. This is the general sense of learning. While we come to the learning of engineering graduate or an engineering student or a postgraduate student or any other research development area based faculty or so, they will think the same way of learning in a different sense. Simply, they will use the word cut and they will use the word ing and they both are coupled with each other. Simply we can show an apple over here for the word cut and a knife. These two are combined with each other to generate a word cutting. So this is the generalized way of learning. This is the imaginative way of learning. So how we see the problem defines the problem and a solution. So basically there is a quote that suggests that every problem have a solution, whether it is a wise one or unwise one, it has a solution. But whatever might be the problem, how we see the problem is itself a problem. So how we can see the problem should be given as a clarity of thought to us in learning the things have gone through. So simply it's a generalized English language, we can define it in a simple way. Let us see another example of mathematics, how we can impart the same strategy in the mathematics as well. Let us just see an example of a person. A person was there, his name was A. His age after 4 years is given as 35. So calculate his present age. This is the generalized problem we all will have go through in the textbooks as well. So how we can show this problem? How we can implement the 3 I's with regard to this problem is concerned. So that shows the realistic knowledge of engineering with regard to the education is concerned. So a person's age after 4 years was given as 35. Now we are supposed to calculate the person's present age. How we are going to impart the person's present age? That shows the realistic problem of learning. So every student will have a cluster of solutions. When I say about the person a person can imagine as tall, short, long and fat, like that can imagine several ways. He can imagine that person A as Mahesh Babu, he can imagine that person A as Chiranjeevi, he can imagine that person A as Nagarjuna or so. We can define the person A when defined in several ways. We can impart the thought of the process of the person taking A in infinite amount of ways. We have infinite amount of ways. Now our question is how we can impart that person A's age, that person A in a defined sense, in a simplified manner. While we are having infinite ways, we have to decrease them to the finite ways. How we can do that? When this question was probed to the students, they will give infinite amount of answers. One may give an answer that he may imagine Mahesh Babu on that particular person A. One may give that Allu Arjun, he is the person who is going to be A. And a few other may imagine themselves. So we are supposed to impart that person A, what is there in the student mindset should be imparted with regard to the problem is concerned. So that shows the first I as imagination. So our first stage is imagination. When a student dissolves this problem, he has infinite amount of solutions, infinite amount of ways. So now being a task of an educationist is we need to cluster them and we need to combine them to a finite amount of solutions. So when this problem was there, when this problem was given, we are supposed to think in the mindset of the student, in the mindset of in the empathy of the student, in the empathy level of student, so that the student can recognize that particular person who he has imagined will get displayed over here. So this imparts the knowledge of engineering education. With regard to the engineering is concerned, this shows the engineering. How we can creatively solve a particular problem that deserves the real knowledge of engineering. So now a person was defined, his name was defined as A. So I may not take A, I may consider myself as that particular person. So my age after 4 years is defined as 35. So I would like to present what is my present age. It's my question. It is a simplified answer that we have to eliminate the 4 from 35 and we get the answer as 31. So now here what the question is that if my photo was there, if my picture was there over here, my picture after 4 years should get displayed over here. So my age before 4 years should be get displayed over here, and after imparting the knowledge, after transmitting the knowledge, that means there is a gap of 4 years between that particular person before 4 years and after 4 years. That person should get travelled over 4 years. So what is the fastest means of transport? Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, or the rocket. The person can travel in the rocket or the person can travel in the aeroplane. We cannot impart time machine also or any watch like 24. We do not have those elements over here. So we are supposed to take only the person fastest means of transport that are available. So this particular person need to get travelled over 4 years in the form of an aeroplane and got to that present age. That present age image need to be get displayed. So this is the problem and this is the solution that we have given for a technical problem. How we can resolve a problem in a technical manner. So this shows a solution for that technical problem. So every problem have a solution. Suppose to think in a different manner. How we are thinking in a logical manner and how we are imparting the creativity in the thinking process and the thought process. That deserves the real learning of any subject, any knowledge. So perhaps learning is not a centric, human centric, is not one centered knowledge. Today I may speak, tomorrow someone may speak, day after tomorrow another person may speak over these words. But how we can impart the sort of knowledge to transmit for a particular student, thus that imparts much more weightage than saying the things. So when we say the things, most of the people won't listen because people are quite passive listeners. We are supposed to make them active. So how we are giving a problem and how we are activating the students with regard to that particular problem, how they are coupled with each other to have a particular solution for that particular problem, that deserves the sense of learning. So now we are in the sense of COVID-19 pandemic and most of us are learning online. So this video is generated to those people who are watching the classes in online. They can use these 3 eyes in the classroom and they can generate their views and their ideas, their communication to that particular faculty or that particular teacher or that particular educational institute, so that they can impart these 3 eyes in the classroom session as well. So this is the learning in technical. We have defined in brief, but we can generate in technical form of knowledge. With regard to the online classes concerned, we can easily generate most of the things like graphics and paints and all the things. We can generate all these things in the online class. It is of easier part. So that makes the sense of realistic learning. So this video has been dedicated to those students who make the practice, of the sense, who make the practice of imparting realistic education in learning. So this video was done. So I would like to thank our beloved CEO Sadgun sir for giving this opportunity, and almost all the students who worked in doing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, share, link, like and share this video for more better videos. So we are planning not only for education related aspects and elements. So this channel emphasizes mostly on creative thoughts. The work itself defines creativity. So whatever might be the creative parts that are available in the society, those will be gathered together in the form of videos, and we are going to present more videos for this channel, which emphasizes on creativity, zeal, motivation. We have several other elements like dance, songs, movies and much more. Those are awaiting for you, which are coming forward. Thank you for giving me some.